Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's take a look at problems 2 through 7. So problem 2 says a serving is 1 cookie. So how many servings can I make from 5 cookies? Well, here's 1 cookie, so it'd be 1 serving. Another cookie would be 2, 3, 4, 5 servings. So my division equation would be the 5 cookies divided by a serving of size 1 is equal to 5 servings. Okay, the next one, number 3, a serving is a half a cookie. How many servings can I make from 5 cookies? So I take my 5 cookies, split them in half, and so this would be 1 serving, 2 servings, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 servings. So I'm taking my 5 cookies and I'm dividing them into servings of size 1/2, and that's equal to 10 servings. Okay, number 4 says a serving is only 1/4 of a cookie. So how many servings can I make from 5 cookies? So first thing I need to do is divide them into servings of size 1/4. So cut up all these cookies. So each serving is 1 piece. So I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4 cookies, or I'm sorry, 4 servings there. 5, 6, 7, 8 servings, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 servings. So I'm taking my 5 cookies and I divided them into servings of size 1/4 for a total of 20 cookies. Or I'm sorry, 20 servings. So 5 cookies divided into servings of size 1/4, and I end up with 20 servings. Okay, the next one. A serving is 3 cookies. How many servings can I make from 5 cookies? So I have my 5 cookies. 1, 2, 3. That's 1 serving. But then I have 2 more cookies. But it takes 3 cookies to make a serving, so I have 2 out of the 3 needed for a serving. So this would be 2/3 of a serving. Does that make sense? Because I have 2 cookies, but it takes 3 to make 1 whole serving. So I have 2 out of 3 needed, so 2/3 of a serving. So my division equation would be 5 divided into servings of size 3 is equal to 1 2/3 servings. Okay, now this time a serving is 3/4 of a cookie. So I'm going to split my cookies into 4ths. Okay, and this time, let's see here. We have 3/4 of a cookie makes 1 serving. So let's say this 3/4 is 1 serving. And then let's say this 1/4 and this 1/4 and this 1/4. So these 3 make another serving. And let's say these 2 and this 1 will make a 3rd serving, and then these 3 will make a 4th serving, and then let's say these 3 make a 5th serving, and then this 4th and these 2/4, so 3/4 will make a 6th serving. But then I'm left with these two. Okay, so I'll have 6 complete servings, but then I only have 2/4 when I need 3/4. So if I have 2 out of 3 that's needed, this would be 2/3 of a serving. I know it's half a cookie, but we have 2 out of 3 that's needed for a serving. So this would be 2/3 of a serving. So we would have a total of 6 2/3. So our division equation would be 5 divided into servings of size 3/4 would give us 6 servings, and then the 2/3. So 6 2/3. Whew. Okay, the last one. A serving is 2/3 of a cookie. How many servings can I make from 5 cookies? So once again, divide it into thirds. Okay, and then these 2/3 would make 1 serving, and then these 2/3 would make a 2nd serving, and then these 2/3, let's see here, these 2/3 right here would make a 3rd serving, and then these 2/3 would make a 4th of a serving, or a 4th serving, and then these 2/3 would make a 5th serving, and then these 2 would make a 6th serving, and then these 2 would make a 7th serving, but then we have this one left over. Well, it takes 2 to make a serving, and we only have 1, so this would be half of a serving. I know it's a 1/3 of a cookie, but it's half of a serving. So my division equation would be 5 cookies divided into servings of size 2/3 would give us 7.5 servings. Okay, hopefully that makes sense to you. If not, please let me know. Come to my virtual office hours. Email me, text me, whatever. Okay, let's take a look at problem 8. Problem 8 says a serving is a half a cookie. How many servings can I make from 3/4 of a cookie? Well, this is 3/4, so we can divide it into 4 equal parts. Well, this is 1 serving here. A half a cookie is 1 serving. So that's 1 serving. But then we have a little bit more. Well, we have 1/4, but it takes 2/4 to make 1 serving. So we have 1 out of 2 needed. So this would be a half a serving. So our answer would be 1.5 servings. Okay, well, I'm confident you can do the rest of these problems. So give them a try and then come on back.